Here at CoreLogic, data is our business. We love our data, and some might even call us data nerds. Not to brag, but we have access to over 3.5 billion pieces of data, and that number keeps growing. The reason we love data is because of its potential. When expertly analyzed, data transforms into knowledge. That knowledge powers good decisions, which lead to higher profits. In a nutshell, CoreLogic collects data from all over America and uses it in software that simplifies business decisions for our customers. But enough about data. Let's talk about AgentAchieve. Are you in real estate? If you answered yes, and you haven't heard of AgentAchieve, you're missing out on software that will change the way you work. Here's how. Simply put, AgentAchieve helps you sell more houses. Whether you're a broker or an agent, your end goal is the same: move property. So, you may be asking yourself, well, that's nice, guys, but how? How does it help me sell more houses? Picture this. You're an agent. You're balancing all your job responsibilities, a family life, even a social life. Your phone is ringing, emails are flooding your inbox, and you've got clients to meet, not to mention your dinner plans and going to the gym. It can be overwhelming. What if there was a way to help with the most time-consuming part of your job? All of a sudden, you've lifted that feeling of falling behind. Good news, we've got the answer. AgentAchieve is like a personal assistant. We've taken all the software you need and combined it into one comprehensive solution. On top of that, we've integrated smart data from CoreLogic into its features. Now you've got a personal assistant with an advanced degree. Imagine instant lead processing, automatic email marketing campaigns, and real-time prospect property updates. These are just a few things AgentAchieve can do to make your hectic schedule, well, less hectic. Now, let's say you're a broker. Good margins are vital to keeping your business afloat. There are lots of demands on you to keep the ship sailing, such as overhead for a marketing team, buying office space, or money spent training your agents. What if there was a streamlined way to cut technology costs and keep your margins wide? Now there is. AgentAchieve helps improve your margins by making your agents more effective. Think assigning leads to specific agents, ensuring consistent branding for your brokerage, and managing your agent's workflow, whether they're in the office or remote. Just like that, you've minimized technology costs and gained the competitive advantage. Whether you're a broker or an agent, it just makes sense. To get started today, visit agentachieve.com/showmemore. AgentAchieve. Sell more houses.